Hey, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. It's a great day today because we got our first copy of the Nikon Z 70 to 200 millimeter 2.8 version 2 lens. So these lenses will be available for sale for those of you who've pre-ordered them on Thursday, March 26th. We're going to do an unboxing here in just a second, but I want to talk to the rest of you guys. If you want an awesome lens like that, if you want any new product from any manufacturer, once it's released, once they introduce it, give us a call, get on the waiting list, because that's how you're going to get one at the beginning. These lenses, the new cameras, they're never available on the first day. You've got to be on the waiting list to get it, and at Paul's Photo, we do an awesome job getting you hooked up with lenses as early as possible. Now, if you want one of these lenses, get on the waiting list now. You know, we've got more lenses coming, and like I said, March 26th, Thursday, we'll have our first batch of these ready for sale. And if you're on the list, if you've already gotten an email from me, you know that the lens is coming for you. So, let's do an unboxing here and help you guys get acquainted. So I brought out here two boxes. This is the box for the 70 to 200 version 1. This is the box for the 70 to 200 version 2. It's crazy. I've never seen a lens box look like this. I can't wait to go inside and see what it looks like in there because it's different. It's cool. So I'm going to leave this lens out here so that we can talk about it. I'm going to move that to the side there. All right. So here's the 70 to 200 version 2. First thing people are going to ask me, where's it made? It's made in Thailand at the big Nikon factory just a little bit north of Bangkok. Are you guys ready for this? All right, here we go. New lens smell. I love it. There's the warranty card and the instruction book. We're opening here, we're opening, and you can see there's two boxes in the box. So I'm gonna do the one on the right, the left here. Oh, that's the lens. So here's the lens, right? And I got to see this lens last week at a trade show, and I was very impressed at the size and the weight of it. It is amazingly lightweight. And for those of you who've upgraded your Z 24 to 70 from version 1 to version 2, we've noticed a big increase in picture quality and a significant drop in weight. And that's what I'm feeling here too. I don't know about the picture quality. I haven't shot a picture with it yet, just opening it just now. But this lens, what I'm reading is awesome, picture quality wise. So size and weight, awesome. We're gonna go through it all in just a second. So here's the second box, and I think this is full of the accessories. So we're gonna open it up here. Awesome. Here we've got the lens pouch that Nikon is famous for. Aha, the lens shade. And it's a nice looking shade, and everyone's all excited about this. It has the slot so that you can get to your polarizing filter or variable neutral density filter while shooting, which is awesome. Oh, I heard about this. So this is the beauty ring to cover the spot on the back when you don't have the tripod collar on. Very cool. And then this is the famous new Nikon tripod collar, which I'm so excited about. Number one, I'm excited about it because it's robust. You know, in the past, the big lenses have had kind of wimpy little tripod collars, so you're tempted to buy a third-party tripod collar to make the lens a little bit tighter when it's on a tripod. This is great. I don't think you're going to need to do that for this. And more importantly, it has the Arca Swiss mounting plate on it. And so what is that? So in the past, we've had to buy, an accessory to add on to our lens to mount onto an Arca Swiss style ball head, which is what just about every serious photographer uses today. I'm excited to make this work. It's going to be great. I'm going to put all this stuff aside here, get it out of the way, so we can compare the lens versus the lens. So here's 70-200 version 2, 70-200 version 1. You can see the version 2 is a little bit shorter. According to the specs, it's almost a pound lighter, and I believe that. I mean, it really feels significantly lighter. The balance is about the same, pretty evenly balanced. I'm very excited to start making pictures with this lens. But let's get in tight and look here. I'm very excited to look at this lens. So first of all, here is the name of it. This is where either the tripod collar or the beauty ring will go. You have the control ring, the extra function ring, 2 rows of custom function buttons, which are programmable, the focus ring, and the zoom ring, which are really awesome. 77mm lens cap. It's a good feel. So you can do click stops on or off on custom ring, which could be the aperture. Some people are going to make that the aperture. And then over here, you have autofocus or manual, and then you have full or limited focus range. So a standard Nikon lens, once again, weighing about a pound less than the previous version. What I'm reading about, specs-wise, noticeably sharper, noticeably faster focus. I can't wait to put this through its paces and give you a full report in a week or two after I get a chance to work with it and get it out there. So, amazing lens. Thank you, Nikon, for the nice upgrade. I always love an upgrade because it means we can take better pictures easier, faster, and more fun. If you have any questions, write to me, mark@paulsphoto.com. Oh, we didn't talk about the price. $28.99 for the version 1, $31.99 for the version 2. I expect we're going to see maybe some discounts at some point to clear out the version 1s, but it's already $300 less. That's a nice discount. But I'm excited about the version 2. I've got mine on order, and I can't wait to get out and make pictures with it and share with you the results. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I'll see you next time.